Hey there, I'm Joel Lim, and welcome to Trading.biz. Today we're diving into a detailed review of Pocket Option, a popular player in the world of binary option trading. Pocket Option was established in 2017 and has quickly gained attention for its innovative approach to trading. Regulated by the International Financial Market Relations Regulation Center, it offers traders a wide variety of assets to trade with payouts of up to 92%. But let's not get ahead of ourselves. Before you sign up, let's break down the key pros and cons of Pocket Option. Let's start with the pros. Pocket Option has a Trustpilot rating of 4.1 stars, which is better than the vast majority of other brokers. One of the top perks of this platform is its user-friendly trading experience, both on mobile and desktop. It also has a wide variety of useful trading features like built-in trade signals and the option to copy other traders' moves. Plus, you get a 50% deposit bonus on your first deposit, and there are no fees for withdrawals or deposits. However, it is key to address the downsides as well. While it is regulated, Pocket Options regulation might not be as stringent as some traders prefer. The website also provides conflicting information at times, which can be confusing. And remember, while payouts can reach up to 92%, most assets offer much lower payouts than that. Now let's talk about what Pocket Option brings to the table. With more than 100 assets available for trading, ranging from currencies to stocks to cryptocurrencies, it offers diverse trading options. Plus, with a minimum trading size of just $1 and no trading commissions, it's accessible to traders of all levels. Last but not least, let's talk about deposits and withdrawals. Pocket Option offers a wide variety of payment options, including cryptocurrencies and services like Visa or MasterCard, with no fees attached. You will need at least $10 for deposits and withdrawals, though. Plus, tournaments and gem mining offer additional ways to earn money on the platform. And there you have it, folks, a comprehensive overview of Pocket Option. Whether you're a seasoned trader or just starting, Pocket Option is a platform worth exploring. Remember, though, always trade responsibly and do your research.